sightseeing ride. Oh, nice breeze. Woohoo! Dude with no mask. One of us. Haha. Yeah, another one. Right on, brother. Oh shit, is this Lippo? Oh. Look, there's the old Sky Garden. Somebody's got to buy that place and open it. Call up Jeff Berwick. Oh, but you can still go in, or do you have to wear a mask in the club? You got to take a piss at the door? Get your temperature checked and all that shit? Yeah. Here we go, my friends. First beach. My third day on the ground in Bali. First time I've seen the ocean. Well, except from the plane. Right? Obviously, right? You want to stop here? See the, you don't want to see the water? I want to see. Damn, you remember when we ride this before? You could never get through here. Yeah. Now it's just so wide open. Yeah. This used to be a parking lot. Yeah. Wow. The world has gone completely mad. There's been a reality shift, my friends. There's been a reality shift. Hopefully some of you stayed behind with us. Hey, if there are any single guys watching this video from anywhere in the world, there you go, right in front. My present to you. I'm a good wingman. I'm taken, but I'm a good wingman. I cannot believe this traffic. This is just amazing. I mean, it's so sad, but damn, you could never ride these streets just constantly without stopping. Mario. Oh, I know where we are. I know where it's Max? Yeah. Good? You paid? Yeah. Thank you so much. Back this way? Oh, okay. All right, we got a new tank of gas. Almost full. Oh, he's got the cool lights on his truck. Okay, left right here? Up here? Pothole, mama. Sorry. Where's the turn? Oh, I thought I had to signal for that one. Oh, look at that. Beautiful sunset. Left again? Wow. I like left turns in Bali. They're much more easier than the right turns. They're still open. How do you know where the red PCX is going? Only one way? Only one way, huh? This is the road to Batu, Belig, right? Oh, Patitinggit. Ah, nice kite, brother. said follow the girl on the PCX. Oh. Yeah, we should be at the bar drinking dintangs. Instagram sucks.
There's a sign Instagram sucks.
So right turn? Oh, we're not going to Belig. Where's Batu Belig? Oh. My signal here, huh? You can only go left. Where do you want me to go? Right? Left? Okay. No math. Right on, bully. Oh, I know where we are, Mama. Yeah. Where's that street, Mama? Oh. Oh, yeah, I see it now. Going all the way to the beach, or he's going to Mini Mart. Oh, there's Mr. C right there. We just passed him.
Oh, already passed.
Yeah. Mr. C. He's there. Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
We're trying to find my friend. He doesn't see us.